Today I'm going to show you a new feature that has been added to TeachPoint to make your life easier when it comes to evidence collection. In order to start this, you would go to New when you logged in so that we can find the form for evidence collection. If I go into all evaluation forms and scroll all the way down, there's a form called Teacher Collection of Evidence Form. If I click on that, the new form will open. It'll automatically have my name and that I'm the author. It has my school and the date that it started. If you need to select your grade, you can do that as well. But more importantly, there's a share button. This allows your evaluator to see this form. You want sharing to be on. You could wait until the end when you were to have a summative assessment, but if you wait and you forget to do it, you just go back and press share and then on. Once you've done that, you can take a look around. Each of the standards are highlighted in blue, planning and preparation for learning. And if I scroll down even further, I'll see classroom management. Under each standard, there's a box to describe the evidence that you're submitting. There's a little paperclip, which we're going to show you how to add an attachment. And then each indicator is given so that you can reflect on the Marshall rubric without going back and forth to the actual rubric. So again, this has every single standard and the indicators that are important on the rubric in here. I'm going to go back up to the top to planning and preparation for learning, and I'm going to start to add some evidence. There is a box for you to be able to describe the evidence. You do not need to fill this out, but perhaps you wanted to give more of an explanation about your evidence. You could type that in here. But what I'm going to do is press the paperclip because I want to upload some evidence that I have on my computer. I click on that paperclip, which just means attachment, and it'll open a little side window. Again, you still have your form right here, but the side window opens. I'm going to press choose files, and it'll open up the files on your computer. I just happen to have mine right here. And what I want to upload is this 6th grade unit plan. You'll see that the file came up because it's right here underneath choose files, and I can even press clear if I clicked on the wrong one. It automatically names it whatever it was the file's name was, and you can change that. So I just want to call this 6th grade unit plan. And in here, I'll say unit about research skills. Under tags, this is where this will really help you out in a summative evaluation. You can tag each of the standards and even your professional practice or student performance goal. When I say tag, it just means that you're labeling that evidence under that folder. Just like if you were to have a binder or an accordion folder with different sections for each standard, instead of making a copy of each of this unit plan for each folder, I can just check a little checkbox. So I think that this 6th grade unit plan belongs in standard A, planning and preparation, but I also think that it has to do with standard B, and it just so happens to align to my student performance goal. Once I'm done with that, I just press the little X. If you're not sure, you can always go back in and you'll see what you checked off. And it says attached to, and it shows you this that it's attached to this area. If you want to attach it somewhere else, you can actually pick a different area to attach it to. Then I just press save. Once I press save, a preview of the file that I uploaded will be available just to make sure that everything you want is there. So here's my research skills unit, all set to go. If I'm done, I can just press this X to close out of this window. If I do not like this file, I could actually press this X. The X with the circle means delete the file. This can be confusing because there's a trash can. The trash can actually means you want to either see or hide the deleted files, but this X with the circle is to delete the file. If I'm not done adding evidence in this section, I can keep pressing plus sign right here and add more and more evidence. But I'm done with this section for now, so I'm just going to close out. And once I've closed out, you will see that there is actually a blue link under the area where I had added it, which was planning and preparation for learning, with the name that I had, 6th grade unit plan, and the document. If I were to click on this, it'll reopen that document so I can make sure that this is the right one. So again, right here, I have planning and preparation for learning. I've explained what it is, and I've actually put the 6th grade unit plan. I've not only done that, but I've tagged it not just to planning and preparation and learning, but for other standards as well.